All right, let's look at 26 and 27. They're all kind of one question. So as a ball is thrown straight up, is modeled by the fall where h is height in meters and t is time in seconds. H equals 3 plus 14t minus 5t squared. Okay, any ideas of what we should do first off, Shay? Put it in the graph. Okay, and instead of h, what are we going to use?
X.
Well, close. H is going to be y, and t is going to be x. Do you guys see that? So you're going to replace them with x and y, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So let's go ahead and do that. Go to y equals, and we're going to put 3 plus 14x minus 5x squared. All right, once we're done with that, next, do you think? Dakari, what do we do next? Number 27, 26. Second table or window, either one, whichever, it doesn't matter which order you do it in. If you want to do your dots first, you can, okay? So -1, -16, that's not going to work. 0, 3, that works. I can do 0, 3. It's going to be right here in the middle. 0, 3. Really important that you label your points on these ones. Okay? 1, 12. So 1 and 12 is right there. All right. So 2, 11. Right here. Okay, I'll write this one and then I will hold for a second. So the next one it says is 3, 0, so that's right here.
2 divided by
3, comma 0. Oops. And then we get 4, -21. Okay. So looking at those dots, does it look like a parabola? No. Okay. So what do you think we need to make sure we have? What piece? So let's look at our graph. Can we see it? Can we see it right now? Online, can I see it?
No.
What do I need to do to be able to see it?
Go to window.
Go to window. So I'm going to go to my window and I'm going to fix my window. Okay?
Go up.
Yeah, I got to go up, which I already know it's going to go to 16 right here. My Y max is going to be 16. So I'm going to go to my Y max and make it 16. Was that good enough?
No.
Do I have to get every little detail of the window right? I don't. As long as I can see it, I'm good. You didn't get that and understand that? If it's not the exact same window here, you're okay as long as you can see it. Okay, so what piece do you think we're missing right here? What's that? What's that? The max. How do we find the max when it's missing? What buttons do we hit in the calculator to find the missing point?
Count.
Second count. That's right. Good. Let's go to second count. Everybody do this with me. Go to second count.
Second count.
Number 4. And it says left bound. Now we're wanting the max. So we want the left side. Get the left side of it. And once we're on the left side of that max, we enter in. Now it says I want you to be on the right side of that max. So now I'm on the right side of that max, and I'm going to enter in. And it says, do you want me to guess? You enter in again. So it is going to be about,
Oh my God.
I'm going to write it down here, the max is about 1.4, comma 12.8. 1.4, comma. And now we're going to try to put that one on here. Okay? So 1.4 is in the middle right here. And then 12.8 is going to be in the middle, kind of right about there. Right about there. Okay. Make it look like this picture right here. We're going to come down like this. And then we're going to go down like this. And like that. Okay, I'm going to make it look like that picture as much. Okay, now remember, mine looks a lot skinnier than this picture because did I make the window perfect? No, so that's why this one, because I didn't make the window perfect, okay? And those little variances are because of the window. Okay, so now let's try to answer these questions. It says, when does the ball hit the ground? Okay, so which point on here is the ball hitting the ground?
X.
This one right here, right? So we have, so X is when, okay, because we have seconds and we have meters. And X is seconds because X is time. And Y is meters, okay? So when is this point? So X equals 3 seconds. Does everybody see how I just did that? Okay? What is the ball's maximum height? So maximum height, that's going to be Y, right? Because height is going to be meters, but which point on here is the point we're looking for? The blue point, right? Y, what's the Y for that blue point? It's 12.8. 12.8 meters. Okay. At what time does the ball reach its maximum height? At what time? Is that going to be X or Y, Dashay? At what time? X or Y? X, good. Time is X. So X equals at blue point. It's still that point right there. Why is it being weird? And it's like not, like this blue point right here is still the max. But this time I want the X one, which is, so I'm going to say 1.4 seconds. Okay? And then from what height is the ball? Which point on here is where the ball's thrown? Where's the ball thrown at? This one right here, 0.3. Okay? And from what height? Height is Y. So Y equals 3 meters.